We have come up with a sweet that can be easily made at home. It's very easy to make and delicious. So let's see the recipe. For this, in a pan, take in 1/4 cup of ghee. To this ghee, add in 200 ml of milk. Make sure that you keep the flame very low all through making this barfi. Now to this, add in around 2 cups of milk powder, little at a time, and mix it till you make a smooth and creamy mixture. This barfi is extremely delicious and kids are gonna love it. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here we are adding milk powder little at a time and mixing it nicely till it becomes nice and creamy. After breaking the lumps, this is the consistency of the mixture that we want. You can see it's nice and creamy now. To this, we are going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. To this powdered sugar, while grinding, I have added 2 cardamoms and grinded it nicely. So add this and mix it together till the sugar is nicely mixed in this mixture. Now to this, you can add flavors of your choice. I love pista, so I'm adding pista. You can add around 1 tablespoon of chopped or sliced pista as per your liking. Mix it nicely. It should all form into a lump which starts leaving the sides of a pan. For flavor, I also add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional. You can add if you like it, or you can also add some saffron infused milk and make it into a saffron barfi. So here you see the pan sides, the mixture has started leaving the sides of a pan and nicely becoming into a one lump. So this is the consistency that we want. If we keep it very runny, the mixture won't set, our barfi won't set and it will melt. So this is the consistency, right consistency that we want. Now let's transfer it to a tin. For this, I have lined it in with the parchment paper. Sprinkle some sliced pistachios in the tin. Now add in the mixture to this tin. We have to keep this mixture to set until it hardens. So I'm adding the mixture to the tin. Once all the mixture is added to the tin, you can spread it evenly either with a knife or the back of a spoon. We have to keep this aside for setting. After we have evenly spread this, don't keep it in a refrigerator. Let it set in room temperature. Here our barfi is set. See how delicious it looks. It's extremely delicious and tasty. So now we are going to cut the barfi. You can cut it according to your liking, either in diamond shape or square shape. So here our beautiful pista milk barfi is ready. This is how our pistachio milk barfi looks. So do try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.